Stego Mastic sausage tubes are ideal for Stego wrap repairs and small installations that don't require a full pail of Stego Mastic. No surplus material goes to waste, saving time, money, and is more environmentally responsible. The package can even be recycled. To begin using Stego Mastic sausage tube, load the mastic tube into a mastic applicator gun for more precise handling and control. Start by cutting the nozzle of the applicator at an angle to a desired width. Unscrew the top lid of the mastic gun, push the release mechanism and pull out the metal plunger arm. Then place Stego Mastic sausage tube inside the gun. Use the trigger as needed to bring the top of the Stego Mastic sausage tube back up to the edge of the gun chamber. Then cut, poke, or slice a small hole into the sausage tube just below the metal clip. Finally, place the nozzle over the top of the chamber and mastic sausage tube and screw the lid back over and onto the mastic gun. You are now ready to apply Stego Mastic. For a single pipe, apply mastic continuously where Stego wrap comes into contact with the base of the pipe. Apply mastic all the way around the pipe. If needed, use a trowel or your hand to even out the mastic across the application area. In the case of multiple pipes, apply Stego Mastic the same way, making sure to also apply the material between all individual pipes. In both cases, Stego Mastic should completely seal the edge of Stego wrap to the penetrations. Stego Mastic sausage tubes are also perfect for sealing Stego wrap to perimeter foundation constructions like foundation walls. Apply Stego Mastic liberally to the wall where the wrap will terminate. Enough Stego Mastic should be applied to create a 2-inch wide strip with at least 60 mils of depth. Then lift the edge of Stego wrap and press the film firmly into place against the Stego Mastic. Stego term bar can provide consistent, continuous pressure to the contact interface between Stego wrap and Stego Mastic. Place the term bar in line with the mastic and secure using concrete screws into term bar's pre-drilled holes. For all applications, be sure to review Stego wrap's installation instructions. Try a test application if you're unfamiliar with the products or the applicator. And be sure all surfaces are dry and clear of all loose materials, oils, and other contaminants.